Hey, if you have a toilet that keeps making this noise, it's either your fill valve or your flapper. And oftentimes you'll hear this noise at night. And it'll shut off and then it'll start again. So what it can either be is, in this case it's a drum style flapper. So it's letting water down and the fill valve will come on. Now what it can also be is, I'll just hold this down for a second here. And you'll see water go over the top. So if you have water going over the top, then this fill valve is never going to shut off. And it's just going to keep running. So you can see now it's just going to keep going over the top. So then what you can do is adjust this here. And that will raise and lower your switch. Alright, hope this helps.